Above the quiet earth I rise, through silent winds and open skies. Mountains whisper far below, in shades of green the rivers glow. And I'm drifting with the daylight, where the forest meets the sea. Every heartbeat feels much lighter, nature's calling out to me. In the calm of endless spaces, I can finally breathe again. Here the world reveals its traces, where the sky and earth are friends. Fields of gold and silver streams carry echoes of forgotten dreams. Clouds unfold like gentle waves across the land that time still saves. Weightless in the wind, I'm falling into quiet, into peace. Every moment softly calling, let your restless worries cease. And I'm drifting with the daylight, where the forest meets the sea. Every shadow turns to starlight, every breath feels wild and free. In the heart of endless spaces, I can finally see again all the beauty time embraces, where the sky and earth are friends. Above the quiet earth I rise, through silent winds and open skies. Mountains whisper far below, in shades of green the rivers glow. And I'm drifting with the daylight, where the forest meets the sea. Every heartbeat feels much lighter, nature's calling out to me. In the calm of endless spaces, I can finally breathe again. Here the world reveals its traces, where the sky and earth are friends. Fields of gold and silver streams carry echoes of forgotten dreams. Clouds unfold like gentle waves across the land that time still saves. Weightless in the wind, I'm falling into quiet, into peace. Every moment softly calling, let your restless worries cease. And I'm drifting with the daylight, where the forest meets the sea. Every shadow turns to starlight, every breath feels wild and free. In the heart of endless spaces, I can finally see again all the beauty time embraces, where the sky and earth are friends. where the forest meets the sea. Every shadow turns to starlight, every breath feels wild and free.